Child abuse is the focus of a one-day workshop at the Fox Hill Center today. Dr. Sandra Dean Patterson says the workshop was geared toward bringing not only more awareness and the need to further educate the public about child abuse, but also calls for more legislation. This in light of the recent abduction and murder of 11-year-old Marco Archer.
What we know about child sexual abuse is that you have to educate the community, you have to educate parents, and you have to put systems in place. So we've brought together the gatekeepers from social services, the police, the prison, the health, the mental health, the church, educators, all of us come together. It's going to be a unique summit because the presenters are only 10 minutes, and at the end of the presentations we're going to have action groups and come up with an action plan which will be presented to government as to how we should address this so that we have no more Marcos. And we're going to look at the sexual offences register, the pros and cons of that, look at the Amber Alert, we look at the justice system, the way our children are traumatized when they have to go to give evidence, the way that perpetrators do not go to jail, all of those things, and hopefully at the end of it we'll have an action plan that we can put forward.
Statistics indicate that from 2003 to 2009, just under 1,500 children were reportedly sexually abused. Expressing concern of those unreported cases, Patterson is urging the public to be more vigilant and responsible.
The community needs to be alert to this. The community needs to be responsive to this. You see a child, you stop and you say, you know something, you know, are you okay? And you watch, you look. Yeah, where are you going, and get your information. And you watch. If you see a child riding around in a jitney and you know that child is supposed to be in school, you say to the jitney, what is going on here? You know, and we as adults, we as community members must not be afraid to speak up when we see something that we know, but you don't have to know, that you suspect is inappropriate, because that is the only way we're going to protect our children.